get it all the time that so and so property will blow your mind. Now let me show you this one. You see this one? This particular one, it will blow your mind. So step in with me and let us tour this property together. This property speaks nothing but luxury. You can see around you. Beautiful. We have a fountain right here and a swimming pool. We have beautiful wall decorations right here. Literally, as you're paying or moving in, you don't need to do too much in this house. We have a beautiful floor-to-ceiling glass. For your wine collections, this is just perfect. A functional kitchen where every food dished out of here is made out of comfort. Area right here, the stunning wardrobe, toilet and bath, very spacious. And we have the toilet and bath. And right here is a hallway that leads to the family lounge that gives you all the memories. We have this beautiful wall of fame right here, lovely wall lights. So come on, let me take you to another room. This room, super spacious. Yeah. Welcome to the primary suite where all the magic happens. Very spacious, imported towels all through. We have a see-through bathroom right there. We have this walk-in closet that whispers, I want designers. I want designers. And we have this bathroom right here. We have the his and her sink, super wide. We have this bathtub here. We have a bathroom there. We have a bathtub right here. I can only imagine what you can do, things that you can do right here. To blow your mind, Abby, slide into my DM right now and let us book a private view for you. I'm the girl Oma. Call me now.